I would like to thank JP Premium for sponsoring this video. They sell just about everything. Lately I've been getting their electronic stuff, but they also sell quite a bit more. And so, I bought their Black Pods Pro the other day, and they came in, and I really liked them. And then this new USB LED light strips, I have those under my desk, and they look great. And this Hypebeast phone case, my friend has it. He says it's wonderful. He would recommend it to just about anybody. So please go check him out. There's a link in the description. And for a limited time only, you can use the code APRILSALE. I'll have it on the bottom of the screen here. Code is APRILSALE, and you get 10% off your entire order.
Hello everybody, welcome to T&W Electronics. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this HAVIT RGB cooling pad. So first, what we're going to have to do, as usual, is unbox it. So pull that out, and the first thing I see is bubble wrap. Now, I love bubble wrap. It's very fun to pop, but for right now, just take out the cooling pad and put the bubble wrap aside, and then set the cooling pad aside for a quick moment. And then on the inside of the box you have this USB cord, and then a user's manual and this like or dislike thing. So we're going to put those to the side, and then we're going to get rid of the box. And so now we have the cooling pad right here. So we're going to put this down for a second. And so this cooling pad is RGB. You have this little like whitish strip down here, and that's where the RGB is. And then on the back you have kind of like these feet that stick out. So we're going to stick these feet out. And then they also extend. This little thing here normally tucks in, and you can extend it to make it have your laptop sit up even higher. Do the same to this one, and then on the bottom here you'll find this little clip, and you need to pull that out. And then on the front there will be a little kind of like place for it, and this will keep your laptop from sliding off the cooling pad. And also these little rubber grips will keep it from sliding off. So now to get the RGB going, what you need to do is plug in, well, you gotta take the thing off the USB cord, and then you plug your USB thing into laptop cooler. Now, one thing I don't like about this is that this USB cord is pretty short. It's probably 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet. It would be kind of nice if it was 3 or 4 feet. So now you need to plug it in, and as soon as you plug it in, the RGB just lights up. Right down there. Okay, so now to get the fans working, there's that little blue button on the back, like this. And you just turn it, and for each click that's like a different level. Well, that turns it on, and then you just keep turning it, and that speeds the fans up. So fans at full blast, they also light up, so it looks a little something like this. The fans at full blast are completely lit up. Now, as you slow it down, the lights slowly turn off, and then the fans turn off. And the RGB keeps going no matter if the fans are on or not. And so that right there is the board. Now we're going to go through a couple different tests to see if it actually does anything while trying to cool your laptop. So now we're going to see how hot my computer will get without the CPU cooler, but playing a game. So at a standstill, it stays around anywhere from 44 to 48 degrees Celsius. So what we're going to do is start playing Asphalt 9. I think this is a pretty good game to test CPU temps on. And I haven't heard my fan kick on yet for my computer, but we should be able to hear it soon. So as soon as I turn on this game, man, we're already up to 71, 72 degrees Celsius. Now that's a 30-degree jump. Until right now we're staying around 77, 78 degrees. And my fan just turned on. So now we're gonna, about halfway through a race, we'll see where we're at. So we'll play this one. And then we're gonna pick a car. Okay, so actually we'll play the whole race and then we'll see how hot the CPU is at. Looks like for this race I gotta get 5 stunts in. And I just took out a car. Okay, so let's make a quick check really quick. So we're at 76 degrees, 78. So that's not bad. Now my fan is like staying on completely. So we'll see how hot it is by the end of this. So it doesn't look like I'm going to get my stunts in, but I am going to win the race. Okay, so let's see how hot we are. So we're at 80 degrees, 84. So we're really getting up there. So 84 degrees at the end of this race. Now we're going to see how the cooling pad does. So now we're going to do the test with the laptop on the cooler. So unlike last time, we were sitting at about 40 degrees when it was just at a standstill. Well, now we're at 27. So that's a nice 13-degree drop. And so now we're going to play asphalt again to see how it does with asphalt. So we just started it up. And we're going to check, see what temperature it's at. It's only at, well, it keeps jumping around. It's at anywhere from 55 to 60 degrees. Whereas last time it was 72. So that still is a pretty nice jump. So we are going to play a race. Play this one. So I'm hoping at the end we still have at least a 10-degree difference than the first time and the second time. So in this version I'm playing time attack. So basically I just got to get to the finish line before time runs out. So I just heard my computer fan kick on. So hopefully, okay, so I made it to the finish. So now we're going to see what temperatures we're at. So we're at 68 or 70 degrees. So that's only, well, now we just had to jump around 75. So around 70 to 75 degrees. So unlike last time, it was 80 to 84 degrees. So I mean, this is a pretty nice drop. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.